Hi everyone, come with us to unload a shipment. All our bags are designed in-house and we have a manufacturer that brings our creations to life. Once our products get shipped back to us, we can conduct quality assurance on them and send them to our customers. We have a limited time to unload the container, so we have to get to work early to be there right when it gets here.
We are getting the bolt off the door, and you can see just how full of boxes this container is.
Our container is also what's called floor-loaded, meaning that the boxes don't arrive on pallets. So we can't use a forklift and we have to unload the boxes manually. We have 1 or 2 people in the container to unload the boxes, and then everyone else will carry the boxes inside. Each box weighs about 40 pounds, so we usually have 2 people move a box together so we don't hurt ourselves.
Here's a little water break. You see how empty that container is now.
Once the boxes are unloaded, we do a little happy dance, and then it's time to unwrap each style so we can weigh and measure them to update our listings. And here is a sneak peek at our brand new style. But for now, we are all exhausted and hungry, so we all go out for some delicious Thai food. Okay, bye!